Hey there, amazing learners! Welcome back to Onestop Academy English. I am your English professor, and today we have a special lesson on articles a, an, and they. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our educational content. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and consider becoming a member for exclusive content. Your support through the Super Thanks feature helps us continue creating high-quality educational videos for you. Now let's dive into the lesson. Let's start with the basics. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. In English, we have three articles: a, an, and the. First, let's talk about the indefinite articles a and an. We use a and an when we are talking about a non-specific item or one of many items. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a cat, a book, a car. Use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an hour. Next, let's discuss the definite article the. We use the when we are talking about a specific item or something that is unique. For example, the cat on the roof, the book you gave me, the sun in the sky. We also use the when both the speaker and listener know what is being referred to. For example, can you pass me the salt? There are some special cases to remember when using articles. For example, we don't use a or an with uncountable nouns. Instead, we use some or no article at all. For example, I need water. She has some information. When talking about general things, we often don't use an article. For example, birds can fly, cars are useful. Great job, everyone. You've just learned about the articles a, on, and the. Remember to practice using them in your sentences. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment with your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to support us and help us continue creating more amazing content, consider using the Super Thanks feature or becoming a member for exclusive benefits. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you high-quality educational videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.